Good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 6. How are you today? I miss you so much from Sunday. Our lesson of today is a new lesson, and it's amazing lesson, like you. The lesson is talking about something is called by inequality. The lesson of today, its name is inequality. Firstly, I need Turkey. Read this essential question, please, Turkey. The essential question is what?
How are samples such as and equals?
This one, my friend, is called by less than. This symbol is called less than. This one is greater than. And this one is
equal.
Yes. Repeat the question again. Repeat the question again.
How are samples such as equals?
Less than, my friend. This is less than.
Less
than. Greater than and equal.
Greater and equals.
Less than, greater than and equal. Okay, can Khalid Khalifa read the question?
Of course.
Okay, go.
How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal useful?
So how are symbols such as less than and greater than and equal are useful? Okay, this is our essential question. The next slide asking about what we will learn today. What we will learn today. Okay, Khalid Khalifa, can you read what we need to learn today?
Of course, Mr. What will we learn today? Inequalities might have more than one solution. Inequalities use the symbols less than, greater than. What are these other symbols, Mr.?
This one is greater than or equal, and this one is smaller than or equal. Again, this is the first one is greater than. This one is greater than. This one is greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. This one is smaller than or equal. Again, the symbols are what? Less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Okay? Can Turkey read what we need to learn today, Turkey?
Yes.
Go ahead, my friend.
What was?
What we need to learn today. Read, my friend. What we need to learn today. Read the slide.
Inequalities might have more than one solution. Inequalities use symbols decrease.
Less than. This one is less than, Turkey. This one is less than.
Yes.
Less than, greater than, or equal, less than or equal. Again, read the question again. Read what we need to learn today. We need to learn that. Again, I will repeat it, and after that you will repeat it after me. Inequality might have more than one solution. The inequalities might have more one solution. The second one will be that the inequality using the symbols like less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Again, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Can you read the 2 points we need to learn them today? Go ahead, Turkey.
Conclusions might have more.
Speak up, please.
More than one solution includes
inequalities
as samples.
Use. Inequalities use.
Less than
symbols. Less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Okay? Now we need to go to another slide. The new slide will be talking about the new vocabulary of this lesson. The new vocabulary of this lesson will be what? will be the inequality. The new vocab of this one, okay, Khalid? This one is talking
Yes.
about the new vocabulary here is talking about the what, Muhammad Lanazi, about the inequality. So be with me because this lesson is very important. Look with me to this slide because this one is the most important slide in this lesson. Here he gives me sample, the word, the example. Again, sample, word, example. This sample, we can read it as is less than. Is less than. Again, this sample is called by what, Muhammad Lanazi? Is less than. So if I see this mark, my friend, I read it as is less than or the fewer than. I can read it by two methods, but I think the first one is better. Is less than. So this sample, Khalid Khalifa, I will read it how? Less than. Again, this sample, how I read it, Muhammad Lanazi? This one, my friend, I will read it less than. Okay, Talal? After that, Khalid Khalifa. 3 here is less than 5. I will read how? The example. 3 is less than 5 or 3 is fewer than 5. Again, this sample, my friend, grade 6 is less than. I read this sample, my friend, is less than. This sample, how I read it, is less than. Okay, my friend? So this sample is read by this way. I can read it is less than or is fewer than. And I can read an example like this way. I have 3 is less than 5. If we go to the second one, this one is will be greater than. This one is greater than. This one is greater than. Or we can read it by this way. We can read this sign or this symbol like is more than. I can read it is greater than or more than. So the first one, okay, I can read it less than. The first one is less than. Look, it opens its mouth in direction of the right. So if you can see the mouse of the sign open its mouth to the right and give his back to the left is less than. So this one, the first one is less than. The second one is what? Is greater than. The second one is what, Khalid Khalifa? This one is greater than, or I can read this one is more than. Like 8 greater than 4, 8 is greater than 4, or 8 more than 4. 8 greater than 4, or 8 more than 4. Look with me to the third one. Look with me to this sample. Can you see it? It's look like this one. Number 1 like number 3, but we have a small dash under this. So I have less than and equal. They are look like each other. This two is look like each other. So this one is less than or equal to. This one is called by that. Less than or equal. Less than or equal. Or is at most. At most, it means this sign. At most, like this sign. Again, what we said, Muhammad Al-Anazi, because this one is very important. If he gives me that, my son, he gives me less than.
Okay, Mr. I am with you.
Okay, if I have that, I have less than or equal this sign, or we can read this one as at most. So at most, I have less than or equal. Again, this sample, how I can read it? Okay, I can read this one is by this way, is less than or equal or at most. Okay, here we have that 7 is less than or equal 10. 7 is less than or equal 10. This number 7 is less than or equal to 10. Or I can read 7. I can read 7 at most is at most 10. So this one I can read it at least, at most, sorry, or less than. If we're looking to the fourth one, this symbol is greater than or equal. Look with me, this symbol, how I can read it, Khalid Khalifa, is greater than or equal, or is at least. So, Khalid Khalifa, this one is at most, less than or equal at most, and greater than or equal is at least. Again, what is the symbol? I said that this symbol, I can read it, is at most, or less than or equal. This one is at most, or less than or equal. Here we have at least, and it will be greater than or equal. Okay, I need firstly, Khalid Khalifa read the first, Muhammad Al-Anazi read the second, Turkey read the third, and I need the fourth is Abdullah. Abdullah, read number 4, okay? Read Khalid Khalifa the first one, please. Read this one.
Is less than, is fewer than.
Less than, okay, is fewer than. Again, how I can read it, Khalid?
Less than is fewer than.
Okay, the second one, Muhammad.
Is greater than, is more than.
So this symbol, it means is greater than and more, or more than. And you must imagine that Khalid Khalifa and Muhammad. Do you know the shark?
Yeah.
Yes.
The shark, if he need to eat and he's hungry, he will open his mouth to eat what? The big fish, right?
The fish.
The big fish. The big fish. If he have a small fish and the big fish, he will open his mouth to eat the greatest, right?
The big fish.
Okay, look with me here to this sign. It will be like the shark, Muhammad. Look.
Okay, this the shark.
Yes, the sign like the shark. It's open its mouth to eat what? The greatest number.
The greatest number or the greatest fish.
Yes. So because 5 is greater than 3, so the fish will be open its mouth to eat the big 5. Here we have 8 is bigger than 4, right? So we have 8 is bigger. The fish will be open its mouth. The shark open its mouth to eat the big. يبقى again, remember with me, shark الدودو will be doing what, Muhammad? He will do that, Khalid.
Eating the great.
To eat the big. Open its mouth to eat the big. So the big shark will be need to eat the big number. So all the time, if the big is right, if the big is left, he will open his mouth or its mouth to eat the big. Okay? I need now Turkey. Read this one, please.
Is less than or equal to, is at most.
So again, this one is less than or equal or at most. Again, read that with me, Khalid. Is less than or equal or at most, right?
Right.
Okay, Abdullah, can you read this, please? Abdullah. Okay, read Muhammad Al-Anazi, this one, please.
Number 4.
Yes.
Is greater than or equal to is at least.
So the first one is greater than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, or is at least. Okay? We need to go to the first example. Look with me, please. Read Khalid Khalifa this question, please.
Of course. Of the number 6, 7, or 8, which is the solution of the inequality of f plus 2 less than 9?
Again, Khalid, speak up, please. Raise your voice.
Okay. Of the number 6, 7, and 8, which is the solution of the inequality f plus 2 is greater than 9?
Less than. This symbol, Khalid, you read it in the first time, good, but you read it in the second time, not good. This symbol,
yes,
Khalid,
yes, less than, sorry.
Is less than. This symbol, Khalid, is less than. This symbol is what, Muhammad? Why?
Less than.
Because it will be open its mouth to the right. So this one is less than. Look with me, Khalid and Muhammad and Turkey, what we'll do. We will make that. We will write our inequality. So first step here, write the inequality. F plus 2 is less than 9. Again, the first step, Khalid, we will make what? We will make that, Muhammad, write the inequality. Again, what we do, Muhammad? We will write the inequality. The second step, we will replace F by 6. We will replace F with 6. So I will remove this F cancel F and put 6. We will cancel F and put 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. It gives me what? 8.
8.
6 plus 2 gives me 8. Is 8 is less than 9?
Yes.
Is 8 is less than 9? Yes.
Yes.
So this one is will be true statement.
Yes.
So 6 here is make true statement. Again, Khalid, again, Muhammad. We will make substitution about F by 6. I will make substitution about F. I will remove F and put 6. And I will add 6 plus 2. I will add them together. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 gives me what, Khalid? It gives me 8.
8.
6
Yes.
plus 2 it gives me 8.
8.
Is 8 is less than 9?
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, less than.
Yes,
Less.
Khalid.
Less.
Yes. So this statement is right. Look with me, we will take the second number 7. Can you see 7 here? So I take
Yeah.
6 from here and I will take the other number. I doesn't take 5. I doesn't take 4. Why? Because he doesn't try this number here. So I will
Only
use
there
this
are
number.
6, 7,
6,
and
7,
or
8.
8.
So I will use this number only, Khalid. Okay? I will use this number only. I will write firstly the inequality. I will write firstly the inequality. What is the inequality? F plus 2 is less than 9. So in the first step, I will write the inequality. What is the inequality? The inequality is F plus 2 is less than 9. F plus 2 is less than 9. So here we have that F plus 2 is less than 9. I will remove F and put 7. Why 7, Khalid? Because I have this
Because
number. 7 is written here. So 7 plus 2, is that less than 9? 7
No,
plus 2
equal.
is 9.
Equal 9.
It will be
Equal
equal.
9.
So this statement is will be what? Wrong.
Wrong.
This statement is not true. This is not true statement. So again, if I use 7, 7 plus 2 here, it gives me 9. 7 plus 2, it gives me 9. 9 is less than 9? No, it will be equal. So this
Equal.
statement is wrong. Look with me to the next place. Here we have the same inequality. F plus 2 is less than 8. F plus 2 is less than 8. I write the inequality. So the first step, Khalid, is what Muhammad write the inequality as it is. And we will remove F and replace F by what?
8. 8.
So we will replace this one with 8. We will replace this one with 8. Replace with 8. We will replace with 8. A plus 2, my friend, is equal what?
10.
A plus 2, it gives me 10. Is 10 less than 9? Is
No,
10 less
greater
than
than.
9? So this one is wrong.
No.
So this one is wrong. This one is wrong, right? What is the right answer?
Yeah.
Look with me. Since the number 6 is only the number, make
Only.
this will be true. So the solution here is will be what? 6 only. Again, because this
Only the
is
6.
6. So if I have 3 choices, 6, 7, 8. In this example, the only true answer is will be what? Is will be 6.
It's 6. 6.
Okay, Khalid? Again, Khalid, what we do, Abdullah, be with me and concentrate, please. If we have example by this shape, I have 6, 7, and 8. Which one is will be belong to the solution of F plus 2 less than 9? Again, he gives me numbers like 6, 7, 8. He gives me number like 6, 7, 8. Which of this number is will be the solution of F plus 2 is less than 9? What we will do in this case? I will write F plus 2 is less than 9. F plus 2 is less than 9. Firstly, I will write, each time I will write the inequality. So in the first step, I will write in the first step the inequality. Okay, my friend? I have F plus 2 is less than 9. Okay? Is it clear? After that, what
Yeah.
we will make what, Abdullah? I will make that Turkey. I will remove, Ya Muhammad, the number and replace the number, the letter F by 6. So the first step, Khalid, I will remove F and replace it by 6. It means substituted by 6. I will make substitution by 6. So 6 here plus 2, it gives me 8. 6 plus 2, it gives me 8. Is 8 is less than 9?
Yeah.
Yes. 8 is less than 9. So this statement is true. This statement is true. We will go to the next. We will have f plus 2 is less than 9. F plus 2 is less than 9. You have 7 plus 2 is less than 9. 7 plus 2 is less than 9? No, it's 9. So this statement is not true. The statement here is not true. Why? Because 9 is equal 9, not less than. The third one, I will have the inequality. I will write that f plus 2 is less than 9. Write the inequality in the first step. I will remove f and put 8. A plus 2 is equal what? 10. Is 10 is less than 9? No. So if it will be less than, I will take it. It will be right like this. If we have equal or greater than, I don't take it. So where is the solution? I can say that since the number 6 is only value makes that true statement, so the solution is will be number 6. Look with me to the next slide. He gives me that, read the question, Muhammad Al-Anazi. Read, my friend. Muhammad. Muhammad Al-Anazi. Okay, he's mute himself. Ahmed Naif, can you read, please? Ahmed Naif.
What, Mister?
I said, Muhammad, read, please.
Of the number 3, 4, or 5, which is a solution of the inequality m plus 9 greater than 13.
So again, read Khalid Khalifa the question.
Of course. Again, of the numbers 3, 4, or 5, which is the solution of the inequality m plus 9 less than 13?
So what we will make, Khalid? In the first step, I will remove this m and put 3. I will make what, my friend? I will remove m and put 3. Again, what we do, I will remove m and put 3. 3 plus 9 equals what?
12.
12. I will remove m, Khalid, and replace this number, this letter by 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. Is 12 is greater than 13?
No.
Is 12. So 3 is will be wrong. This one is not true statement. Again, I will do like the previous example. I will do like this example. But here we have f, I will put m. So we will remove the letter and put the number. We will replace the letter by the number. We will replace the letter by the number, or with the number. So we will remove the letter f and put the number. Here we will do the same, Khalid. We will make what, Muhammad? Firstly, I will remove m and put 3.
M and put 3.
3 plus 9 give me 12. Is 12 is greater than 13? No.
No.
So this statement will be wrong. Okay? I need now Muhammad Al-Anazi. Can you check the next number?
Okay.
Okay.
4 plus 9 equal 13. It's not greatest, it's equal.
4 plus 9 is equal 13. 4 plus 9 equal 13. 13 here and 13 in the right, the both are equal. So this one is not greatest, right, Muhammad? So this one will be wrong. So this one will be wrong. Again, what we do, I will remove m here and put what, Khalid? I will make that Ahmed Naif. Remove m and put 4. We will remove m and put 4. So Turkey, I will remove m and put 4. 4 plus 9 equal 13. 13 in the left and 13 in the right, the both are equal. The both sides are equal. So this one will be not true statement. This one is not true statement. I need now Ahmed Naif. Can you tell me what you will do with 5, my friend?
What?
5. What I will do with 5? I try with 3, it can. I try with 4, it can. I need to check 5 now. What I will do, my friend? Do you know?
No.
No. I will choose another one. Khalid Khalifa,
Yes.
how I can solve 5 now? Be with me, Ahmed Naif, because
Okay.
if you don't understand, tell me to present that again.
Okay.
Go, Khalid.
You replace M with 5,
Look,
then
Khalid,
you put 5
we
plus
remove
9. Huh?
this M, Ahmed Naif, this M.
Yeah.
I will remove it, this M, and put what? 5. So the blue M here, I will remove it and put 5. Make it Khalid. 5 plus 9 equals what, Khalid?
5 plus 9 equals 14.
5 plus 9, excellent. It's equal 14. Is 14 is greater than 13?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Why, Khalid? Khalid, 14 is greater than 13, right?
Oh, I thought you said 13 is greater than 14.
No, I
Because
said
here
14
it says.
is greater than 13,
Oh,
right?
okay, okay.
Is 14
Yes,
is
yes.
greater than 13? Yes, right?
Yes.
So the only
Yes.
solution, the only answer here is will be what? 5.
5.
Again, what we do, Ahmed Naif. Firstly, my friend, I will remove M here and I will put 3. Why 3, Ahmed? Because the first number here is 3. Look, the first number here is 3.
Okay.
So remove this M and put 3. Again, what we do, Khalid? Remove M and put 3. Okay? We will replace M with 3. So 3 plus 9 equals what?
12.
3 plus 9, Ahmed Naif, is equal 12. Is 12 is greater than 13?
No.
If I'm asking you about your age now, Ahmed, how old are you?
12.
12. Is 12 is greater than 13?
No.
Yes, so 12 is not greater than 13, right? So this one is wrong. We will do now the next number because the first one is wrong. I will use 4, right, Khalid? So we will remove this M and put 4.
4.
So if I put 4 plus 9, Muhammad Al-Anazi, 4 plus 9 equal what?
13 is equal.
13. If 13 is greater than 13?
No.
No.
No. So this statement is wrong. So 4 else will be wrong. If I will use 4 plus 9 is equal 13, 13 is not greater than 13 because they are both are equal. So it can't. We will go now to the next. It will be 5. 5 here. 5, I will replace this M with 5. I will replace this M with 5. 5 plus 9 is equal what?
14.
5 plus 9 is equal 14. 5 plus 9 is equal 14. Is 14 is greater than 13?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So the only solution in this example is 5. Here, grade 6, is it clear?
Yeah.
We will go now to another example. Read with me, Khalid, this question, please. Khalid. Khalid is sleeping. Okay,
Mr.
Muhammad Anazi. Who
Me
is in?
is the given value a solution of the inequality x plus 3 greater than 9x equal 4.
Again, read Ahmed Naif.
Muhammad Rani is not Ahmed Naif.
I know that you finished reading. I need Ahmed Naif to read now.
Is the given value of value a solution of the inequality?
Inequality. Again, read it again, Ahmed. Is the
Is
value?
the given value a solution of the inequality?
X plus 3 is greater than 9, right? And you give me x is equal what? X is equal 4, right? What we will make, Ahmed Naif? Look with me, Muhammad. I will make that Khalid. Remove x and replace it by 4. I will replace x with 4. I will replace x with 4. So I have here 4 plus 3. I have in this side 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal what? 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 here is equal 7. So, is 7 is greater than 9? No. So this statement is wrong, and 4 is will be not solution for this inequality. Again, Khalid, again,
The
Muhammad
greater
Lana. What you need, ya Muhammad?
The greater is 9.
No, no. Look with me. He gives me in the inequality. He write it here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
X plus 3 is greater than 9. He gives me what again? X plus 3 is greater than 9. So what we will do here? I will remove X and put 4. I will remove X and put 4. So I have here 4 plus 3.
7.
I will put here 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal what? 7. 4 plus 3 here is equal 7. Right?
Yeah.
4 plus 3 is equal 7. Is 7 is greater than 9?
No.
No. So this statement is wrong. So we will set that Khalid. We will set Muhammad. Since 7 is not greater than 9, so 4 is not solution. Since 7 is not greater than 9, so 4 not is the solution. So again, what we do, Ahmed Naif, I will remove X, I will remove
and
X
put 4.
and put 4. I will remove X and put 4. Replace X with 4. Replace X with 4. What happened after that? 4 plus 3 is equal 7. Is 7 is greater than 9? No. No, absolutely. Absolutely. 7 is not greater than 9. So this statement is wrong. So 7 is not greater than 9. So 4 not solution. Okay? I need now Ahmed Naif.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how I can solve this one? If a plus 6 less than 12 and he gives me a is equal 5. What we will do, Ahmed Naif here?
Wait.
Mr. Me.
Put replace A with 5.
Excellent. Replace a with 5. Again, repeat it again, Ahmed. What we will do?
Replace A with 5.
Okay, so we have here 5 plus 6.
Yeah.
5 plus 6 equal what, Ahmed?
11.
11. So this number is what? This number is 11. 1 and 1, right?
Yeah.
Is 11 less than 12?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is will be yes. So a plus 6 is less than what? Less than 12. Why? Because 5 plus 6 equal 11. 5 plus 6 here is equal 11.
11.
11 is less than 12, right? Since 11 is less than 12, so this statement is right, and A is 5 is one of the solution. And A equal 5 is one of the solution. Again, Muhammad Al-Anazi, tell me what we will do here.
5 plus replace.
We will
A
replace
5.
We will replace A with 5. Again, what we will do?
Replace A with 5.
So after that, what happened?
5 plus 6 equal 11. 12 greater than 11.
I read
It's
it from the left. 11 is less than 12, right?
Yeah.
I read it by this way. 11 is less than 12, right?
Yeah.
Is this statement is right?
Yes.
So this one is will be true. Thank you. Look with me to the last example with us today. Look with me. Read the example, Khalid, please. Khalid Khalifa.
Yes, mister.
Read the question, please.
Of course, of course. Yeah. Is the given value of a solution of the inequality?
Read, my son.
Okay, I read it. Is the given value a solution of the inequality?
The number.
Read the inequality.
Oh, yes, okay. 12 Wait, what's the name of this again?
Again,
12
less than or equal.
Hey,
Less
okay.
than or equal.
12
less than-
okay. 12 less than or equal 18 minus y. Y equals 6.
Again, Khaled. Read it again.
12 less than equal than 18
Less
minus
than or
y. Y
equal
equals
to.
6.
Less than or equal to.
Yes.
Go ahead, Khaled.
Yes, you replace y with 6. 18 minus 6 is 8.
So we will write firstly
It's
the
true.
inequality, Khaled, right? We will write firstly the
Mr.
inequality
Equal.
as it is. Right? 12 less than or equal 18 minus y. We will write the firstly the inequality. After that, we will make what?
We will make minus.
We will replace y by 6, right?
Yes.
We will replace
we will
y
minus
by
y
6
with
and make
equals
some
6.
minus.
Yes,
Here we
yes,
have
of course.
18 minus 6 equal what?
12.
Equals 12.
12.
So 12, is it less than or equal to 12? 12 is less than
Yes,
or
yes,
equal
it's
12?
equal. Equal.
Yes, because
Yes,
it will be
equal.
equal. So this one is right because we have here equal.
Yeah.
Here, this one is right because here we have equal. So because we have here, this one is will be equal. So this statement is will be true and 6 is the solution. Again, Mohammed Al-Anazi, can you read this example, please?
Yeah.
Go ahead, my friend.
Is the giving value of a solution of the equality 12 less than
Inequality,
or
not
equal
equality. It's inequality, ya Muhammad.
inequality 12 less than or equal 18 minus y equals 6.
So what we will make, Muhammad? We will remove y, right? And
Yeah.
replace
Place.
y with, we will make
6.
replacement or substitution. We will make plug into, we can code it by replaced, we can code it by substitution. So we must make this blue step. We will replace y with 6.
6.
So we have here 18 minus 6, right? Complete, Muhammad. Complete, my son. We have 18 minus 6.
18 minus 6 equal 12. 12 and 12
Less
it's
than
equal.
or equal to 12, right?
Yeah.
12 is less than or equal to what? 12. So this two statement is what? Is will be are
True.
equal. So this one is true. And the solution is what here? 6.
6.
Why 6? Because y here is equal to 6. Okay, grade 6. Thank you for your time. Thank you for this amazing session. Okay, inshallah, tomorrow we will complete this lesson. So please try to join us. Okay, because tomorrow we will complete this lesson and we will solve from the book. Okay, so tomorrow bring the book with you. Okay, Khaled. Okay, Muhammad.
Okay,
Thank you for your time. I enjoyed this
Thank
session
you.
with you, and I hope that you enjoy it also. Okay. Goodbye,
Thank
my
you.
son. Goodbye,
Thank you,
grade
Mr.
6. Goodbye, all the students in the class. Bye bye.